And try again. You seriously got hops for your little tiny legs. Okay, okay, ready? Yeah! It's 6:30 a.m. and I'm gonna go walk PD and enjoy my coffee in my disgusting mug. And then record a bazillion voiceovers. It's gonna be a good day. Hi, Papa. I had some pretty vivid dreams about buying plants. I was buying pots for plants and I found this one. It was like this color, like white, off-white. And then it was a head. It was a female, but like art, like porcelain. And then like the top corner of her head was cut out so that plants could grow out of it, but it was dope. I was kind of disappointed to wake up and find that it wasn't real. Maybe I could make one. But the weirdest part is when I woke up, I had so many messages from other people talking about their vivid dreams. And yesterday I saw something about retrograde, Mercury retrograde hitting us again. And asking if people are having vivid dreams. Apparently we are. Okay, time to go out there. I started my morning with this new app, a guided meditation app, and I just used it, but it starts slow, so you can see the moon. Can you? There she is. Leading up to the 21st of June, the days just keep getting longer. The sun rises before 5 and it sets like just after 9, which is I love it. I love the sun. I love you so much. It gives me life, so it gives all of us life, it gives everything life. But yeah, so I just wanted to make the most of it and start rising as early as possible and enjoying the sunsets, etc. So I tried the app today and I went to bed really late, but I feel good. Not sponsored. The first meditation, which I did as soon as I opened my eyes, was on mindfulness, which is a great place to start. And the practice of waking up, meditating, and then getting outside and just trying to maintain that presence with nature, etc. I feel like is a really dope way to start your day. It's not always possible, but when you have it in you, highly recommend. Excuse my voice. This is me after my walk and I'm so allergic to the summer snow. You'll see what I'm talking about soon. I also woke to a really lovely message. What is that sound? Oh, I thought it was a bird. What was I saying? Lovely. The friend. We worked together on something I'm really looking forward to telling you about when it's launched. But she's a very inspiring and just and she asked me to attend her birthday party. I can't remember the last time I've been to a birthday party. I mean, pandemic aside, even. From the comfort of my own home, of course. She's in the UK. It'll be 10 a.m. my time. But you know, I may have to pop a little champagne. Also, here's our summer snow. Just kidding, it's cotton and I'm so allergic to it. Another fun fact, I kind of enjoy sneezing. Did anyone else hear that? Is it a rumor? Is it true that a sneeze is equivalent to like 1/10 of an orgasm? I'm gonna have to say that is not true, but still low-key, high-key enjoy sneezing. Isn't it trippy?
Lovely lessons.
She also invited me to sing a pre-recorded song for the hey Peter, you little, I don't know what I'm gonna sing or if I'm gonna perform or if I'm gonna make one of my videos. Like, I don't know what the vibe's gonna be. I feel like it's not gonna be nap time. I don't think it's gonna be like time to meditate, but maybe we could all just have like a little grounding session while Amanda sings a song. This is why I don't go to parties. It smells amazing. It just feels clear. That good air. Thanks to you. Thank you. Let's go see how my buttercups are doing. Why am I whispering? I always feel like I have to be so quiet in here. That's weird. Is it? I think it's just because I want to listen. So, I'll be quiet now. This is where I made my buttercup song. Well, the video. But the song was inspired. I made the video first. And you can see why. And there's gonna be more. And they're gonna be taller. And they're so pretty. He hasn't even noticed I stopped. Bye, Peter. Bye, Bubba.
be such a bully. He's attacking the squirrel. Crow, no. Leave it alone. Don't be so rude. Run, squirrel.
That's right. That's right. What am I doing with my life? Bye, bitch. You got this. Let's go. You want some breakfast? Let's have it. Oh, you want cake for breakfast? Yeah? Bring a cake. Bring a cake. You're so smart. ASMR? No? Sorry, guys. Just making some tea before I get to work, and I remembered I have a package coming today. I ordered this perfume because I'm obsessed with fragrances. My grandmother said that perfumes are scent. It's like the #1 memory trigger, something like that. And I always thought that was so magical. Nostalgia is my favorite word. There's an ASMR type poem. It's called Nostalgia. Here's a little tiny snip from that video, but watching it back, it looks like it's like a fragrance commercial. Nostalgia is my favorite word. Something here and now that can take me back to then. Is that the first fragrance I'll launch? Nostalgia? I don't know. Manifesting. Anyways, I was watching this movie about a designer, Halston. If you've seen the movie, the scene when he's picking scents for his fragrance, I was so moved. I used to make fragrances for myself and for people I love. I sold them for a bit, but I don't know, I just enjoyed the process, and it was important that I knew who I was making it for. But one day I want to have a fragrance line. I could share my experiences with you. Like, with you. Not the videos, not the voice, which is with you in a sense, but you could touch it. Like, you couldn't really touch it, but you could smell it. And it would take you where I've been in the forests and the winters and the springs and the grass, the coffee. It does that thing in my heart where, like, yeah, that inspires me. And what am I doing? Why am I just filming out the window? I think it's pretty. Oh, here comes a plane. lights and shadows. Art is everywhere. I think Peter has dwarfism. Have I mentioned that? I think he does. These little legs. But also he has funny teeth. And I think something like weird happens when he licks. Yeah, like some weird suction. Anyways, his mouth makes the loudest sounds. The loudest mouth sounds. Like, I didn't know if I could deal when we first met, but love. You're the best. You're perfect. I love your mouth sounds. Yeah. Well, that was lovely. Anyways, yes, I should get to work. I really enjoyed this. Have I made a blog before? A vlog, rather. Maybe I'll do more.